Chapter number 12, surface area and volume. Did I give you the worksheet for chapter 11? Area related to circle? Surface area and volume of solid figures. ठीक है, ये देखिए. The first figure is cuboid, which you had been learning since your childhood. You know the formulas for volume, curved surface here. What this looks like a brick. ऐसे ही है cuboid. Even this book is a cuboid. It has got length, breadth, and height. This is length, breadth, and height. So what is the volume of cuboid? Yes. Volume of cuboid is LPH. Curved surface area का मतलब होता है सिर्फ ऐसे चारों तरफ. Curved surface area is like this. It doesn't have top. It doesn't have bottom. ना top है ना bottom है. Curved surface area of cuboid. It is 2L plus B into H. 2 into L plus B into H. And this is also called area of four walls. क्योंकि इसमें ये चारों ये वाले फेसेस 6 फेसेस होते हैं क्यूबॉइड के. कर्व्ड में 4 फेसेस ऐसे इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. उन 4 फेसेस को क्या कहा जाता है? एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स. इसका दूसरा नाम है एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स. इट इज 2 into L plus B into H. Correct? Then you have total surface area of cuboid. What is total surface area of cuboid? It is 2LB plus BH plus H. So these are the 3 formulas: volume, curved surface area, and total surface area. Is that clear? Okay. Then you have cube. It looks like a ice cube. This is cuboid and this is cube. The first figure and this is the second figure. What is the volume of cuboid, children? Volume? Yes. Side cube. Side into side into side. LPH. Curved surface area of cube, or you can say area of 4 walls. It is 4 sides square. And total surface area of cuboid is 6 sides square. Correct? So these are the 3 formulas for cube. Third formula. Cylinder. What is this? Cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. This is the radius and this is the height. Curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. It is 2 pi RH. Volume of surface area, volume of cylinder, volume is done, curved is done, total surface area of cylinder. Total is, this is curved, ये है जैसे cylinder ये, this is curved like this, top and bottom. Curved top and bottom इन तीनों को मिला के होगा total. Curved surface area plus top plus bottom. What is curved surface area? 2 pi r. What is top? Pi r square. And what is bottom? Pi r square. Top and bottom are what? Circles. ध्यान दे दो अगर तो कुछ भी टाइम नहीं रहेगा एग्जाम से. कुछ भी प्री बोर्ड्स तो आ ही गए नेक्स्ट मंथ. अब तक तो फुल सिलेबस प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए, प्री बोर्ड्स है नेक्स्ट मंथ, इतना टाइम नहीं है बातें करने का। टुमारोज क्लास टाइमिंग्स आर 11 AM नवंबर में। चलो 2 pi RH प्लस, तब भी आज आई वॉज सो डैम टायर्ड, मैं लास्ट नाइट ही आई एंड एवरीबडी वाज आस्किंग मी नॉट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे, थके हुए हैं इतने दिन के, वी डिडंट स्लीप फॉर 2 days। स्टिल आई थॉट नहीं, इतना दिन मैंने मिस कर दिया, आई शुड टेक एंड स्टिल सी द अटेंडेंस, 15 बच्चे एब्सेंट। पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर इज 2 pi r square, 2 pi r, 2 pi r common, what do you get? H plus r, 2 pi r h plus r. You don't have to write all these details in the exam, you just have to write 2 pi r h. I just wanted to show you, just in case you forget the formula, so you should know this is curved surface area, 2 pi r h, top is pi r square, bottom is pi r square, pi r square can be added, it becomes 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, 2 pi r common, h plus r. This is total surface of, so volume, please speak volume of cylinder, pi r square h, curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h, and total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h plus r. Is that clear? Then we have fourth figure, cone.